Hello guys, welcome to the next slide Cissp. My name is Mukesh Singh and let's continue it. In the last slide we have learned and talked about the 8 domains in Cissp. These are the following 8 domains. First of all, I will talk about the domains outline and then we will discuss them in detail. So, this is the domain number 1, that is security and risk management. 16 percentage will be covered in the examination. This is D1 domain 1. What does it cover is, there are the following steps it does cover. Probably I will not be explaining you the points here right now, because when the domain will start I have an explanation for all those outlines, all those programs details. So, frameworks and policies we will be talking about, what kind of frameworks and policies are there, governance issues are there, and what is the CIA approach, that is we will be talking about in the first slide probably. Organizational behavior, principle of security, business continuity plans, security awareness and compliances, administrative technical regulations, risk management concepts and physical control necessary for the security of information assets. So, this is the domain 1, probably 16 percentage of domain 1 is going to be in the examination. The next domain we will be talking about is asset security. This domain is going to cover the concept of principles to monitor assets. Okay. Second is structure and standard used to secure assets, and the third thing is enforcement of control of various level of confidentiality, integrity and availability. So, the third point will be probably discussed in all the 8 modules. CIA we will talk about it, but this is related to the assets, how to monitor your assets and how to secure them, how to make some standards to secure them, and how to make various levels. The third domain is about security engineering. This domain is about the concept, principle and structures and standards for designing and implementing, especially monitoring, securing operating system and other equipments, and network and application and the controls, we will talk about it, and used to enforce various level of CIA, again confidentiality, integrity and availability. 12 percentage of this will be covered in the examinations. Here is the domain number 4, that is communications and network security. Probably the networking parts is here. This domain will encompasses the structure of a network, transmission, what kind of transmission methods are there. There are probably many TCPs or UDP if you have experience with those modules, but probably I will be talking everything in the module number, domain number 4. Used to transport, format and security features, used to provide CIA, again confidentiality, integrity and availability for transmission over private and public communication network and media. So, communication will be either private or public. So, what kind of protocols we are going to use them, what kind of security we are going to make sure on that. So, that is probably with the network security. So, network security is often described as the cornerstone of IT security, because everything is in the network and need to be secure. Next is identify and access management. So, that is it is going to cover the access control, what kind of access control a user have, what kind of authentication factors are inside the companies to authenticate for, and identify management, access control models the company is using, and access control attack, and there is a 13 percentage of ratio in the examination. The module number 6 is security assessment and testing. So, how to make security assessments and testing, probably like penetration and many more. So, what does it cover? Performing vulnerabilities assessment, testing concept, security management concept and security assessment. So, that is all are going to cover in the domain number 6. The second last domain here is this domain is going to cover security operations domain, 16% will be there. It is going to cover security operation concept, information life cycles, probably what life cycle we have learned in our school days in our science books, that is somehow similar with us IT security, you know, like we need to keep auditing our system, we need to keep managing the controls, deciding the policies. So, such kind of life cycle will be there, we will be talking about it in the domain 7th. Managing assets, managing incident response, if an incident took place, how to manage the response, and preventive measures of incident, monitoring it, disaster recovery. So, disaster can be a natural disaster or it can be a man-made disaster. So, we will talk about it, recovery plans, how to handle the incident if the incident took place, and categories of computer crime. If the computer crimes are there, basically the laws are there. So, what categories it comes, it's a bank fraud or it's looking to someone personal emails, privacies, and many more. The last module is a software development security module, and this module require a security professional to be prepared for what? That is, understand and apply security in software development cycles, enforce security control in the environment. We need to make sure that all the users to be enforced to use that security environment, access the effectiveness of software security. If we are using particular software, we need to access it, we need to try to break it, test it, hack it, that how effective it is for the security. So, penetrate it basically. Access the software acquisition security. So, 10% will be there in the module 8. So, guys, these are the following 8 modules we have learned. Let us start with the module number 1, domain 1 in the next slide. Thank you.